I was just asking God, help me be focused, but also please let this food nourish people's bodies, their spirit, and it's not just about how the food tastes, but what it does on the inside. And I think God just honored that. So, man, I'm so excited because, hey y'all, thanks for coming back to the channel. I'm Shayla Nettie. It's early in the morning, so please excuse do-rag and the raspy voice. If you're new here, if you're returning, I am a doctor and plant-based chef. Cook healthy meals that taste really delicious and are good for you too. Today's video is about a day in my life on the plant-based chef side of things. Now I'm going to pack all the cold things I'm going to be bringing to the house for prep, and then hopefully get dressed. All right, now we're going to go. Just got to the house. I just realized I didn't even tell y'all what was on the menu. So I'm making 4 things. I'm going to be doing a black-eyed pea stew with the sweet potato cornbread you saw earlier, kale salad with roasted sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, candied pecans, and this really nice maple Dijon vinaigrette. Then I have 2 other entrees. I have jerk mushrooms with some wild rice, some braised kale / collard greens, a mix, kind of like the southern style, right? Like what you would eat for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And then the last meal will be some wild rice with the roasted root vegetables and some greens. So we get to it. All right, everything's prepped. I'm actually ahead of time. I'm doing a better job of I have this whole paper of notes that I use to kind of keep me on task. So I got everything set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the black bean stew, get my veggies chopped up, and we'll go from there. Oh wow, congratulations. Sweet potato cornbread, black-eyed pea stew, sourdough croutons, salad with the candied pecans, sweet potatoes, roasted Brussels sprouts, kale, and beets. Then got our mushroom gravy that goes with the wild rice, our maple acorn squash with candied pecans, and it's the collard greens with bell pepper. And then we have the maple Dijon dressing that goes with the salad.
Oh my goodness, so sweet, so good.
I love it. I'm in my closet. If for those that know who've been here for a while, this is usually where I record the summary of how the day has gone. But man, today was amazing. Today is what I dreamed it would be 6 months ago when I first wanted to do this personal chef and stuff. So one, it's funny because Sharon, the person I cooked for today, her mom was asking me, she was like, are you more tired doing this than you are when you were working as a doctor? And I was like, actually, I have more energy now because I get to see people eat the food and enjoy it, or people message me and they like the food and they enjoy it. And that just makes me want to do it more. That sheet of paper that I had where I listed out, what I was going to do, but also I listed out the time frames that I need to do things by. So it helped me see, like I'm running behind, let me catch up a little bit. Or it stopped me from having to remember everything, because that was my problem before. I was trying to put everything up here. And the third reason why I think I was so efficient is because I was praying the whole time. I was just asking God, help me be focused, but also please let this food nourish people's bodies, their spirit, and it's not just about how the food tastes, but what it does on the inside. And I think God just honored that. So man, I'm so excited because this was a dream cook day for me, and it just so happened that I recorded it at the same time. So it'll be interesting to watch this back and see how everything went. It's one of the things Sharon said to me. She was like, "You should be called Soul Food Chef Shayla MD, because this is not just whole food plant-based food. This is soul food, whole food plant-based food." So I'm gonna put that in the title. But gosh, that was a lot of fun. The vegan collard greens, those things were so good. Her daughter was like, "I could do this for Thanksgiving. No meat." Still, it was smoky and a little spicy. Got a little kick to it. If you want to see that recipe, check out this video over here. And then outside of that, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. See ya.